I am so excited that I lost 30 pounds just with walking and Pilates, so I'm ready to turn it up a notch. We made it to season 2, and it just dawned on me literally this week. I'm like, I completed season 1 of Creating the Vision when I lost 30 pounds. I was just gonna keep on going, but I'm like, no. It's time to turn it up a notch. So welcome to season 2 of Creating the Vision. I am your host, Deanna Montori, and welcome to season 2. I'm so excited to be here. First and foremost, I want to say thank you to anyone that has watched the first season all the way back in September 2024 when it all began. Anyone that's coming in new, come on in. Welcome. Yes, you heard right. I lost 30 pounds with walking and Pilates, the most weight that I have lost with the least amount of work. So I am very excited that it has worked for me, and so I can't stop talking about it. So I'm going to keep on talking about it. Walking in Pilates, 30 pounds down. And so I'm trying to do more. So I'm turning it up a notch. And great things are happening over here. And this is what happens when you create the vision. And I hope that you are creating the vision for your life as well. But while you are here, you are tuned into the vision that I am creating for myself, Fitness Edition. I am just so proud of myself these last 7 months for being consistent. I found this simple format and I am just so proud that I actually gave it a chance to see if it worked. And the fact that it did work, I'm just so excited because I have trained and worked out, planned, executed so many hard times in the gym that me stepping away, I did have a very small amount of faith that it was gonna work, but most of it was like, I'm just gonna do it, And I'm glad that I did it because I'm 30 pounds down, which is the most weight that I have ever lost by myself and the most weight that I lost in the house without going to the gym. This season, I'm overly excited because I have added strength training back into my fitness routine. I'm working out 2 times a week now at the gym so that I can start lifting those weights again and really sculpting things out. Season 2 is all about incorporating strength training and increasing the amount of time that I'm doing my Pilates. I have my notes, okay? I have my notes very organized in my Creating Vision notebook, okay? Also, what I'm going to be incorporating in season 2 is more photos. I know you all are used to me like sitting down and just having like a one-on-one discussion here. I want to do more like body profiles, then and nows, before and afters, and just during, so that each time I come check in, we can see more of the transformation. So body here, body. Okay. I'll make this outfit my outfit to refer to. So I'll just wear this outfit every time I do the check-ins. Sounds like a plan, guys? Sounds like a plan? Now you see that body? I told you it was a body. Now we getting it together. And then I also want to do a scale check-in, so weight updates, where I'll either just be telling or I'll be showing on the scale how much I'm weighing. This is the scale. Let's zoom in. We are 236 right now. Okay. I want to express more non-scale victories and also just like updating you all on my gym progress. Like if I went up on any weights, any difficulties, anything that I like that I'm doing, where I see the most progress in the gym and what exercises. And so yes, this is season 2 of Creating the Vision. This is going to be my summer series. When I look at myself now, I can see it and it's looking so good, and now I'm just interested to see what it's gonna look like in a couple of more weeks. I just want to take you all on this second half of this journey during the summer seasons, and I'm just very excited and very proud of how everything is going and how everything is coming together and how the vision is just scoping and how that body is just scoping too. What can I say? what can I say? I'm just proud of the things. And it's just so great when you make a plan for yourself and you stick to it. And of course, let me close the organization. This is really what it means when you hear people say you got to do it every single day, even if you don't give it your all. You have to be putting some type of effort, some type of energy into the things that you want. I seen a post on TikTok where this man, he was like, stop giving yourself a deadline when it comes to your health journey, because that's not something that you're going to stop, or at least that's not something that you're going to want to stop. We have to be moving our bodies and giving our bodies these things basically for the rest of our lives if we have the ability. Why give yourself a deadline when you need to be making this a habit for you? And so that's what I was treating it like. I'm like, listen. And that's why my pictures are so sporadic, because I'm like, I don't want to focus on getting pictures. I don't want to focus on trying to get videos and see the difference on this and see the difference on that. I'm just trying to focus on doing it. If I focus too much on trying to capture results and see, ooh, it's a little eighth of an inch gone from my waist or anything like that, I'm like, I'm not going to feel like doing the actual activity. So I wanted to just focus on doing it and getting it done. And like I said, it wasn't 100% all the time. You can do anything when you feel like it. When you don't feel like it and you still got to do it and you huffing and puffing, that's when you like, I really don't feel like it, but I don't have no choice. So let me go ahead and do this. And so that's what I made these 7-ish months. I'm like, you don't have no choice. Even if you don't feel like it, I will make myself do it. I'm very proud of how far I've come, and I'm so excited for this summer season. Ooh, I'm so excited for this summer season. And I'm intentionally making sure that I capture and document like photos and stuff now, because I'm in it right now for real, that now I'm really trying to capture the change, because you just wait and see. It's so great. It's so great. So I'm not gonna keep you all long here because I'm ready to go to bed. Okay? Thank you all for watching thus far. If you are new here and curious on the vision that I have for myself, come along this journey of creating this. Follow and subscribe. If you are on a fitness journey, try new things, try walking, try Pilates. If you have a friend that you want to start a fitness journey with, send her this video and tell her, come on down, come on down. But yes, I'm very excited for season 2, and I'm so excited to see what I'm finna do, because I got the plan, but I actually gotta do it. You can be excited as much as you want to. You can plan it out to the T. You can be as detailed as possible. Map it out on your calendar, put it on your to-do list. But if you don't do it, it don't get done. So I'm excited, but I gotta do it. I'm excited to see what I am going to do. So I am checking out tonight, and I will see you all on the next episode of Creating the Vision Season 2. All right, I'll catch y'all later though. I'm trying to see if I like this area. And I do like this area. All right, let me take some thumbnails, and then I'm gonna go to bed. It just turned 10 o'clock. Good night. Good night. Thank you all. Thank you all for tuning in to season 1. Welcome to season 2. Thank you.